Hello everyone and welcome back to our English Stories podcast, episode 10. I'm happy you are here again. Have you ever tried to help someone in English and they looked a little uncomfortable, even though you were just trying to be kind? It happens more often than you think. Sometimes our good intentions don't sound so good in another language. Today we're talking about how to offer help politely in English. So you can sound kind, confident, and natural. It was one of those grey, rainy mornings in London. The streets were wet, the air was cold, and everyone was in a hurry. Mia rushed into the subway station, balancing her coffee in one hand and her phone in the other. Just as she stepped onto the platform, an old man nearby dropped his bag. Everything spilled out, papers, keys, coins, rolling across the floor. Mia's first reaction was pure kindness. She bent down and said quickly, "I help you." But the man looked startled. He smiled awkwardly and said, "It's okay, thank you." Mia froze. She meant to be polite, but somehow it didn't sound that way. Later that day, as she replayed the moment in her mind, she realized something important. In English, politeness often comes from giving the other person a choice, not telling them what you're going to do. So, the next day, when she saw someone struggling with their bags, she tried again. This time she smiled and said, "Would you like me to help you?" And suddenly everything changed. The person smiled back warmly and said, "Oh, yes, please. That would be lovely." Same situation, same intention, but different words, and a completely different reaction. Let's look at some natural and polite ways to offer help in English. Number 1. Would you like some help? This is soft, kind, and very common. Example, would you like some help carrying those bags? Number 2. Can I give you a hand? This is friendly and informal. Example, can I give you a hand with your suitcase? Number 3. Would you like me to help you with that? This one sounds more formal or professional. Example, would you like me to help you with your presentation? Number 4. Do you need any help? Simple, natural, and works in most situations. Example, do you need any help finding something? Number 5. Let me know if you need anything. This is polite and often used in workplaces or customer service. Example, let me know if you need anything else, okay? Each of these phrases gives the other person a choice, and that's the key to sounding polite in English. Let's break down a few grammar points that make these sentences sound polite. Would you like? Would is a modal verb that makes your sentence softer and more respectful. It's less direct than do you want? Compare you want help. Would you like some help? Can I? This structure is used to offer your own help. It's friendly, natural, and sounds warm. Example, can I give you a hand? would you like me to plus base verb. This structure is great when you're offering to do something specific. Example, would you like me to open the window? Remember, in English, modal verbs like would and can make your tone softer, and that's what makes your offer sound polite. So, next time you want to help someone, remember it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join me in the next episode where we'll explore another fun story to improve your English. See you soon.